Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing one viable idea and testing demand. Talk to 3 customers and run one short survey to learn needs. Once done, sketch the concept and make a materials list so you can estimate cost per unit and time investment. This is how you decide viability. Next, build a simple prototype, one functional sample, and use it to collect specific feedback. This early cycle shows you what to fix and why those fixes matter before you spend real money. Now move from prototype to repeatable production by sourcing at least 2 suppliers so you can compare prices, minimum order quantities, and lead times. This protects margin. Once you choose a supplier, refine the design for manufacturability and run one pilot batch of about 10 units to validate quality and assembly time. Meanwhile, create brand basics, a memorable name, a one-line value proposition, and simple packaging, because perception affects price and conversion, and you need these ready for listings or wholesale talks. To finish, set a price using cost plus margin and test 3 price points to find customer acceptance. Launch on one marketplace and your direct store so you control data and access volume. Make sure product pages and photos clearly show benefits. Drive initial sales through friends, targeted ads, or influencers, and collect the first 20 reviews to learn patterns. If quality or demand problems appear, pause new orders, identify root cause, and fix the design or supplier. That troubleshooting step prevents scaling costly mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.